I've been living in Hawaii since I was 26. I love the ocean and sailing is my joy as well as an inspiration for my seascapes. I'm constantly amazed by the tropical landscape, which provides a natural palette of color for my art. Painting outdoors allows me to be in the moment, with nature as my muse. When I apply paint with a palette knife, I am able to bring the texture from nature onto the canvas.
Is a well-collected and successful colorist in our gallery who's always expanding his genre. And he's someone who, to me, is not afraid to try new things and has many different styles and many different subject matters.
I really love Roman's compositions. Everyone is different. He's not afraid to move from a rectangle composition to a square composition. And he's also really a colorist. If you look at his pieces, they just explode off the canvas. Roman's work and his creativity are always evolving. Each time I see it, it always moves in a different direction.
When I traveled through Europe with my family, I was able to paint small studies at amazing locations and later translated them into larger compositions. In my early career, I was influenced by Impressionists like Monet and Van Gogh. Visiting places where they live and painted was a meaningful experience. Even though I am a self-taught artist, I utilize my engineering background to create architecturally challenging cityscapes.
In Roman's poppies, one sees the poppies that just look so vibrant and so real, and I can picture him as a little boy lying in the poppy fields and looking up at the trees and looking at the flowers and really seeing the texture and the movement in the flowers. So when you look at his poppies, this is something that is conveyed in his paintings.
Growing up in Poland's countryside, surrounded by wheat fields and poppies, was a great influence on my work. The poppy is Poland's national flower and is a symbol of remembrance of soldiers who died. In the 70s, it represented the solidarity movement against Soviet Union oppression.